But the other formula was, assuming it happened, the withdrawal support will ask both President and Vice President to
Resign.
resign. Are you in favor of that if ever that happened? And then let SP, Tito Soto, take over. It's also in the Constitution. Then he will call for a special election as a caretaker president.
Maganda kung si Tito Soto, magaling kuha niya na. Kasi si Tito ay matinong tao. Akala lang natin komedyante yan. Si Tito, classmate ko yan sa Letran eh.
Okay.
He graduated na pinakabata sa amin dahil 2 beses yan na-accelerate.
Oh, matalino.
Matalino si Tito. Kaya lang siguro yung imahe niya na project ay dahil yung doon sa ano yun, yung may TV show sila na School Bukol.
School Bukol.
Diba? Akala ng mga tao kung gano'n siya. Matalino si Tito.